Hello, my name is Madeleine Stone under the instruction of Dr. Paul Liu, and my project is on comparing life cycle analyses of monofacial versus bifacial solar panels. The goal of solar panels is to convert sunlight into electricity, generating a sustainable energy source. However, only 10% of solar panels are recycled, and panels currently have an efficiency of about 20%. Plus, with CO2 emitted during manufacturing and their final resting place in landfills, solar panels still harm the environment. So how can solar become a more viable energy source? That's where passivated emitter and rear contact, or PERC, technology comes in. It increases efficiency by passivating the backside contacts to decrease electron recombination. To further enhance PERC, solar panels can be made bifacial, meaning that instead of having a backsheet, which is known as a monofacial, they have another piece of glass to absorb more light. But a bifacial solar panel provides its own environmental challenges. Bifacial might be more efficient, but they require double the glass than monofacial, and weigh significantly more than monofacial, causing them to produce extra CO2 emissions. However, the increase in efficiency is vital, so the solar panel industry has been switching from monofacial to bifacial panels. So, does a bifacial solar panel produce more CO2 than a monofacial solar panel? How does a bifacial's higher efficiency make up for its CO2 produced? The answers to these questions can be found in a life cycle analysis, or an LCA. LCAs determine the environmental impacts associated with different stages of a product, from extracting raw materials to disposal. The current stage of the project is collecting pre-LCA data, such as where CO2 is produced in the solar panel manufacturing process and degradation of solar panel efficiency to determine the total electricity produced by the end of life of a solar panel. Once that's complete, data can be analyzed through software called OpenLCA. We can use it to draw conclusions about the solar panel industry's decision to move from monofacial to a majority of bifacial solar panels. With this LCA, we can conclude positive and negative environmental effects and how the industry plans to continue to evolve. Thank you.